Though, I think that it's quite a day long course. It didn't feel like that. It's, as rightly said, right? Cyber management, cyber incident response. It's when you speak it, it's quite dry thing, which makes you feel sluggish. Sometimes you feel something as a lullaby that's been coming up. It was very interesting where we touched upon all the key concepts, and it's more interactive with multiple people across the geographies, right? So it's a good session, and it's a good refresher, and where we make mistakes, that's been called out clearly.